This is Joint Entrance Main Physics Exam 2019. So we are solving this paper. Here a current loop having two circular arcs. A current loop having two circular arcs. These two arcs are joined. These two are arcs and joined by two radial lines. Joined by two radial lines shown in figure. It carries a current 10 ampere. It carries a current 10 ampere. If we draw this arc again, this is the arc and this arc is another. These two are joined here and this is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter and this is also 2 centimeter, and here the center point is O, and this is also here 3 centimeter, and here this is also 3 centimeter, and the current is 10 ampere. Angle is 45 degree. We have the angle is 45 degree. So B, magnetic field B can be written as mu 0 I by 4 pi into theta into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 k cap. So here R1 is equals to 3 centimeter is given, and R2 is the total. R2 is the total. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 centimeter is R2. This is R2. So here we know theta equals to pi by 4 and I equals to 10 ampere. So we can write this B equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. This is the value of mu 0 divided by 4 pi, and theta is pi by 4 into I is 10 and the radius is in meter. 1 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is on k cap, in the direction of k cap. So here this is cancel out this pi, and this equals to, we can write, if we calculate this, then we can write this B vector is equals to pi by 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. This is the unit for the magnetic field. This Tesla is the unit of magnetic field. Unit of magnetic field. So here the answer option is 1. Answer option is 1. This nearly equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. So answer option is 1 here. This 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. So that's all for today.